Yo guys, what is up? It's Chandler Trades, and today I'm back with another video. This is day 3 of my second video of my trading recap. If you want to see me live trade today, I prefer you check out last video. It is long, but man, that's how videos be when you don't take a trade. I waited till about 10:40 to even turn off the charts, but it came to a time I had to. Also, yesterday I was talking about how Donald Trump was speaking at 9 a.m. I was wrong, and I sounded stupid because Donald Trump didn't start speaking till 9 p.m. and I was thinking 9 a.m. Crazy. Yeah. So, with that being said, let's get right into the video, guys. I'm excited about this one. Not really. We didn't take a trade today. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible just so you guys can pretty much get the gist of, why I didn't take no trades at all. First of all, coming into market open, which is right here, we did sweep these highs from whenever ago. It doesn't matter. What we did was manipulate. There was like a 5-minute right here on NQ. Right here. I wanted this to hold and us come down to, I think we had a couple hourly gaps down here. Yep, like this one here. I wanted to see us trade back down into here. We had a 4-hour right here that did get tapped on ES. NQ didn't. So I was really looking at these. And I even if we didn't go all the way down to there, I was at least looking for like, where's 930? Yep, right here we had this. We didn't even retrace to any of these. I wanted to see some sort of retracement out of here, or see watch ES hold this inversion right after we opened at 9:30. I wanted to hold this inversion, start coming down here to all this LR, even though on the higher time frame we were coming out of this inverse and everything. I did have a long bias as well. That's kind of like why I didn't take a trade, because I was battling back and forth with myself. Because once ES closed an hourly like this right here, I really was not trying to short anymore at all. Even though ES was still in a predicament to where shorts looked good on ES. This is how the hourly closed. We were about to inverse this 15-minute. It just did not look good on NQ, opening up this huge 15-minute fair value gap. I just didn't want to short on NQ, even though we were inversing to come down to all this LR. We didn't sweep London. I think we swept Asia on none of them. So there was just a lot of heavy LR. I feel like that's why price failed to push up as high. I did want to try to catch price coming up to this 4-hour fair value gap, but we didn't get a good enough retrace here, and then shorting after we inverse this 4-hour just didn't seem right. And we're just now finally getting into this 15-minute that I wanted to trade out of, even though, yeah, it's looking pretty titties, not gonna lie to you guys. Not really, actually, to be honest with you guys. There's no inverse or nothing still. I'm not even gonna take it, obviously. I'm just letting you guys know, like, got this major high here. I was waiting for that 15-minute to get tapped into, maybe trying to take it up to, it looks like NQ wants to come back up to these highs here. Yes, it's kind of like right here in the middle, but I really feel like NQ is going to end up taking these out by the end of its session today. Maybe even come up to here. Oh shit. This high here. But I was just battling myself a lot today with how much LR we had under us right here, and just trying to catch longs just didn't seem good. I had this feeling in my gut the whole time, and I was like, I'm not chasing shit. I didn't get my model. I didn't get the retraces I wanted to see. Even though NQ was looking great for longs, ES was about to inverse this for shorts. How high up we are here, I would have been mad if I would have lost my trade trying to long way up here when price just would flip and I take a loss, which would have been annoying. Like I said, opening up a gap like this, closing an hourly like this, inversing a 4-hour like that, closing this Tuesday right here, Monday, when I lost my one long trade, and then unfortunately I ended up losing my short trade, which was crazy. I did want to see this 4-hour get closed. This 2 days ago. I ended up getting closed, a little later. So my bias for long-term trend, high time frame, I'm still right. Again, shorting something like this, it doesn't seem probable at all. We're probably gonna open up this hourly like we just did, then fill this and continue higher. I see this getting taken out today, maybe even this long-term high up here. But yeah, that's pretty much like my thought process going into this. It's just like I don't know. I just was not liking shorts, and I didn't start to like longs after how long it was taking to give us any sort of entry at all, leaving all this LR down here. I just would have been upset taking a long after, even though like high time frame wins every time. Like after seeing stuff like this happen, it's just like why even try to catch a trade in here? Why force something that's really not showing itself? I need to understand that you can step back away from the charts and not have to trade every day. That's something I'm starting to get used to. I'm not profitable anymore. I was profitable for a minute at the ending of last year, but January and December last December, I'm sorry, and this January has kind of just been. Even the beginning of February was a little hard, but I do feel like I know what I'm doing, and I do feel like I'm going to get better, and I'm going to start making these videos because every entrepreneur always says, just start. And that's what I'm doing. I don't give a fuck what anybody says about me making YouTube videos or what. So, yeah, I do see these highs getting tapped into later on today, or we're going to accumulate and just sit here for the rest of the day. I'm going to make this one short and sweet because the video that my whole cut comp, uncut everything is going to be over an hour long, so I don't want to spend a lot of time on this video when I know you guys just want to hear me keep it short and sweet. And when I go back and watch this is a good one for me to go back and watch just by keeping it short and sweet and just really just getting straight to the point. So hopefully Thursday we'll see something. It was also a no news Wednesday, so I'm not going to try to fucking catch something that's not here or the volatility's not here as well. So thank you guys for tuning in. Tomorrow's video, hopefully something brews up for us and we can make some money. In the meantime, our account is at $0, just to let you guys know. We're about break even on the funded, and we are going to take it with discipline. My last combine I blew was discipline. Besides, I was taking like 2 losses a day. I'm really trying to, now that I'm a good trader, I really want to work and critique my rolls. Like I really need to marry my rolls, and I've been doing so good at it this past couple weeks, like 4 weeks now. I've been really good at it. So why not let you guys see a little bit of how I'm really getting disciplined, and just to show you guys, that anybody can do it. If they really want to follow their rules, they can do it. So no trades today. Sitting on my hands was annoying as fuck for an hour and a half, but thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope what I showed you guys was informative, and I will see you guys tomorrow, Thursday, for another banger. Peace out.